Hello lovely people! In today's video, I'm gonna be showing how I created this rose gold smoky eye. Look at those sparkles! You guys already know that I'm absolutely loving this look. Pink and gold is such a lovely combination. And I think that my main inspiration for this look came from these Huda Beauty nude palettes. I also talk about that throughout the video, but this eyeshadow here, when I first tried it out, I knew that I had to do a tutorial with it because it's precious. And I think that more people should know how good it is. This is what I'm wearing on my eyelid right here. So hope you guys, I don't know why I like doing this. I really enjoy it. But anyways, hope you guys enjoy watching. Let's get started. Guys, I want to ask you something. When you're wearing a messy bun, what do you do with these? Because they look so funny on me. Look at them. They're so awkward. I don't know what to do with these guys. Anyways, I'm gonna put them behind my ears. So as you can tell, I already have my foundation and my brows on. I forgot to charge the camera last night, so I started filming this video and I realized that the camera had only 10% battery. So I decided to skip the boring stuff and let the camera charge for a while. So yep. Let me guys know if you like seeing me apply my foundation and my brows, or you think that I should skip straight to the eye makeup, because my favorite part of my makeup routine is my eye makeup. So I'm gonna start off by priming my eyes. I'll use this Sigma eyeshadow base primer in the shade Sorbet. I'm applying this all over my eyelid and slightly in my crease. Okay, you don't want to bring this all the way up to your brow because you don't want to have that color under your brow. Just on the eyelid and slightly in the crease, and I'm blending it out using my finger. Look, this literally took me 10 seconds to apply, and look how pretty it looks. You can also wear these eyeshadow base primers by Sigma on their own. You don't need to apply eyeshadows on top. And I find that once they dry on my eyes, they're not moving at all. These last on me the whole day and night. They have a few more shades that you can choose from, but this one is probably my favorite, and it's kind of matching with my sweater today. The new Huda Beauty nude eyeshadow palettes. Stunning. These are beautiful. For today's look, I'm going to be using mostly the light edition, and you guys, when I first opened it up, the first eyeshadow that caught my attention was this one. And you can see that I've been using it a few times. You'll see it in a while. I don't need to say anything else. You will see. This is the MAC 217, and I'm gonna take some of this shade, placing this in my crease. It's going to be our transition color. Okay, and next I'm gonna take this brown shade right here on the same MAC 217. This is going in the outer corner of my eyes. It will add some definition and some depth. I'm focusing most of the product in the outer third of my eye. Right here, I'm pressing that color in, and then once there is almost no eyeshadow left in my brush, I'll start using small circular motions, diffusing that color further in my crease. I said that I'm gonna use mainly the light nude palette by Huda Beauty for today's look because I actually need something a little bit darker in my outer corner. I usually prefer using one palette for the looks that I'm creating. It makes it so much easier for you guys to follow. But today I'm gonna make a little exception and use a few colors from the Rich edition of the nude Huda Beauty palette. These eyeshadow palettes are so pretty. So I'm switching to a smaller brush. This is the MORPHE M506, and I will take a little bit of this shade right here, this deeper brown color. Placing this in my outer corner again. I just want to darken up my outer corner a little bit more. Now I'm taking that previous MAC 217 brush and diffusing the edges. Now leave all the brushes aside. We're going to be using our fingers for the next one. This is my favorite step. So going back to that Huda Beauty nude light palette, I'm gonna take the rose gold shade. Using my finger, just gonna take some of it. Look at that. Now this eyeshadow is the pure definition of rose gold eyeshadows, and I'm gonna explain you why. But let me just apply it really quickly so that you can see for yourself how good it is. Now this is a rose gold dream. This is just one layer. If you're using a shimmery eyeshadow and you want it to come out more bright and intense, you can spray your brush with some setting spray and then dip it in that eyeshadow and then apply it on your eyes. Or you can use some glitter glue under it. It will make it really pop. But with these eyeshadows, I didn't have to do any of those. Check it out, it's beautiful on its own. I didn't have to use any extra products. I've tried other rose gold eyeshadows in the past and they're okay. You know, most of them turned out to be just pink eyeshadows with a few gold shimmers, you know, here and there. Nothing really wow. But this one, it has it all. It has the pink, it has the gold, it's rose gold. It is what a rose gold eyeshadow should look like. That's what I like about it. I'm sorry if I'm being a little bit too excited for this one. I found a gem and I want to share it with you guys. I'm cleaning the outer edge of my look here, creating nice sharp line. Now you can just go ahead and apply a winged eyeliner. I'm gonna do something a little bit different. Going back to that Huda Beauty Nude Rich palette, I'm gonna take this deep brown color here. And the brush that I'm using for this step is the Morphe M508. And what I'm doing with this color is I'm placing it very closely to my lashes, focusing most of the product as closely to my lashes as possible. And again, once my brush has barely any product on it, I'll just start diffusing it upwards. Just going left and right, and this is going to do the blending for us. Okay, maybe apply some more, and then start going left and right, left and right. Be gentle with your eyes here. I ended up extending that brown eyeshadow as an eyeliner, and that was not the plan. I don't like how it looks. See, it looks like an eyeliner. I was not going for that. Anyways, I'm gonna see how I'm gonna fix that. Now I'm gonna get rid of the fallout. I wanna try out these color correcting sticks by the brand Mesauda Milano. They're an Italian brand. I've been trying different color correcting concealers lately. I can't tell that I found something that I'm like, wow, this is a miracle. I can see that there is a slight difference on how my under eye area looks if I'm color correcting, but it's not something like super noticeable. To be honest with you, I don't have like crazy under eye discoloration. I'm not sure if I need it that much, so maybe that's why I don't see like a crazy difference. Sometimes I feel like I'm trying to convince myself that I need that product in my life where I actually don't. That's happening really often with cookies. That little voice in my head is like, we need to have cookies right now, like 5 times a day. And I'm like, nope, we don't need cookies. Now here I'm gonna try to do something kind of dangerous, but I'm gonna take the risk. I'm gonna use the tip of my beauty blender to diffuse my eyeshadow here. Like the crisp line that I created. It will ruin my eyeshadow, that's for sure, but I don't think that it was a good idea to create that sharp line anyways. Kind of want to get rid of it. I'm gonna add some eyeshadow there, you know, trying to make it nice and smoky again. You guys don't need to do that. I'm just being really picky right now. But I had this look in a certain way in my mind. I don't want to change it. Okay, I'm happy to say that this worked. The brush that I used is the Sigma E47. I'm gonna take some of this color right here from that Huda Beauty Rich palette, and I'm gonna smudge it under my eyes using the tip of that brush. And a little bit of that deeper brown shade just in the outer corner. I'm not gonna bring it all the way to the inner corner of my eyes because that will actually make my eyes look smaller, and I don't want that. Keeping it just in the outer corner here and connecting it with the eyeshadows on my eyelid. I'm gonna contour my face. This is a contouring stick by the brand Etude House. I think that they have a new packaging now. I had this for probably over a year. I don't know, I had this stick for so long. It's really similar to the Huda Beauty Tantour in the shade Fair, but this one is a little bit more cool toned. Blend, 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 blend. The Huda Beauty one is a little bit more easy to blend though, but I think I like the color of this one a little bit more. And obviously with the Huda Beauty one, you're getting a lot more product. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with the Nabla Close-Up Powder. Also bringing it under my eyes. For my blush today, I'm gonna go with this color here. It's really nice peachy shade. This is a Glow and Blush palette by Tarte. I like this Milk Flex highlighter. I'm using the shade Lit. I'm gonna apply it on my usual highlighting points. You know, the highest points of my cheeks. It's so intense, you guys. You need really little of it to make yourself glow like a glazed donut. I like donuts. Now to tone it down a little bit and make it look more natural on my skin, I'm gonna take my beauty blender. I'm not adding any foundation or concealer on it, just whatever it's left inside, and I'm gonna spray it with the Omorovica Queen of Hungary mist just to make it nice and damp, and I'm gonna just press it on top of that highlighter. Look, it melted into my skin. Okay, so we're pretty much done with the face makeup, but I don't think that I have anything else to do except probably cover up this guy here. I'm not proud of what I did. Okay, I don't encourage you to do it. Never did. But it was a huge, massive pimple there. It was a mountain on my forehead, and I just one day I couldn't. It was on my forehead for 3 days. I couldn't stand it anymore. One morning I just woke up and I was like, okay, let's end this. Now I have a wound on my forehead. So much better than a pimple. That's the worst advice ever. Guys, don't pink your pimples. It's so bad for your skin and for yourself, but it feels so good. Anyways, how am I always getting into some random subjects? I don't know. Now I'm curling my lashes, coating them with some mascara, and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply my falsies. These lashes are so natural. They look so beautiful. They're by House of Lashes. The style is called Siren Flare, and I think that they're perfect for special occasions like prom, weddings, or for anyone of you that prefers more wearable styles. Now for the lips, I'm gonna line them with the lip pencil by Morphe. The shade is called Backseat Love. And on top, I'm going with a lip gloss by Terry in the shade Hot Bear. Alright, last few steps. In my waterline, I'm gonna add some pencil. I'm using the Mr. Right by the Balm, and I'm gonna keep it just in the outer half of my waterline. I'll use some mascara on my lower lashes and some setting spray to lock everything in place. Oh my god, you guys, I just realized that I forgot to light up the things behind me. These things behind me drink the energy out of the batteries as I drink coffee. Fast. No waiting at all. Done. Next one. Alrighty guys, so this is our rose gold smoky eye situation that we created today. I tried creating this look probably a few days ago. I just tried it on one of my eyes and I loved how it came out. I think I extended a little bit more the eyeliner here. I wanted the look to be a little bit more rounded, not so extended like this. But it looks pretty too. I mean, it makes my eyes look more elongated, bigger, more lifted, so that's nice. What else I wanted to say? I don't remember. By the way, my shoulder is doing so much better. I know that I mentioned in my previous video that I had this pain in my shoulder when I was lifting up my hand. It's so much better now. I don't know what caused it. I don't know what made it heal. Whatever it was, it's gone now. So hope you guys have a good day, night, wherever you are. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, go ahead and do it now. Hit that red subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell button, which is right next to it. That way you will get a notification every time I post a new video. You can also find me on Instagram. I post some Instagram exclusive makeup tutorials on there, so if you don't want to miss them, go follow me on there, or on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!